even when we draft players, what's the vision? You know, what's the year one vision? What's the year two vision? How do we see this player? And the same takes place when we're talking about these guys that are trying to make it in 3 days. So a lot of stress. We understand that, but you know, we kind of put the numbers in front of them, and we just talk about, you know, fortunately in my history in New Orleans, you know, number of free agents on opening day rosters in 15 years, we were first. Number of undrafted free agents played the most amount of snaps in their first year, we were first. And so when you're on the phone after the draft and you're recruiting, you know, having some type of data, but having 16 years of that to convince a player to come, because once they get here, and I mean this, once they get here, there's a tape on their helmet with their name, and now we just go by what we see, and how they got here at this point is of no importance to us. And oftentimes in our league, mistakes are made, maybe in a draft pick. You have to just go by what you see, and there's mistakes obviously that occur every year in the draft, but the key is not to compound them.